on how to boost specific makes, models in digital advertising or exclude specific makes and models in digital advertising. From the marketing and store overview page, you're going to go over to the left-hand side and click the digital advertising dropdown. Once that overview page opens up, you scroll down to inventory rules. Once that page opens, you can see that you can add any boosting for any particular year, make, or model that you would like to put additional advertising dollars behind from the current digital advertising budget you have. Simply click Add Boost Rule, put in your specific model that you would like to promote, click Save, and that will create a new Boost Rule campaign for Chevy Equinox. You can also do the same thing with exclusion rules. Simply click Add Exclusion, and you can put in a specific make or model for vehicles that you do not want to run digital advertising ads for. Thank you.